I think the biggest trend we're seeing, of course, COVID had caused a major disruption to the manufacturing of all the products. But I think with the personalized supply chain, of course, we're hearing more and more terms like just-in-time manufacturing, and that is what needed now, because right now with the scarcity on the raw material side, this really becomes an issue. So we often see that when the patient materials move to the manufacturing sites, sponsors begin to move viral vectors and other APIs to that manufacturing site to begin the manufacturing process. So we can see manufacturing being done in 48 to 72 hours after the materials been collected, and other raw materials move in time with that. So I think that's one of the trends we will continue to see. And in terms of how industry is overcoming, I mean, industry is adapting very well. I mean, of course, there has been a disruption, but most of the therapies are most of the clinical trials are ongoing, and we're, of course, very pleased to see that. 2021 has been a great year, especially for gene therapy. A lot of new therapies have been approved, and we continue to see that. So, of course, that puts additional complexity to the supply chain, because now we not only need to deliver this unique therapy, but we need to deliver at scale, and we need to deliver globally. So, of course, the industry will continue to evolve to meet that challenge.